To keep your trombone slide running smoothly, you have to use some sort of lubricant. There are many different types of lubricant, but in this video we're going to use trombone slide cream. Start by taking the inner slide of the trombone out of the outer slide, making sure that the outer slide is nice and secure. Take a nice clean rag and wipe off the old lubricant from the slide. Then, taking the slide cream, get a little bit on your finger and apply it to the end. Do this for both sides and insert safely back into the outer slide. Work the cream just a little bit, then you take your sprayer and spray some water on the slide. This activates the cream. Work it in until you no longer feel any sluggishness. Then you are ready to play.